Subject English Grammar. Topic Tense. Tenses. There are three tenses. They are: first one, present tense; second one, past tense; third one, future tense. First one, present tense. When a verb in a sentence refers to the present time, it is said to be in the present tense. For example, Adil walks home from school every day. Second example, this train stops at every station. These both the sentences refers to the present tense. Here walks and stops are the verbs which show the action done in the present time. Present tense are divided into four types. First one, simple or indefinite present tense. Second one, present continuous tense. Third one, present perfect tense. Fourth one, present perfect continuous tense. Simple present tense. Today we are going to learn about simple present tense. Simple present tense used to indicate a habitual action or activity. For example, I read the newspaper every day. Second one, a general truth. Simple present tense used to indicate a general truth. For example, the earth revolves around the sun. We use the original form of the verb in simple present tense. However, if the subject is third person singular, s is added to the verb. For example, guard, guards. For example, the dog guards our house. Few examples of simple present tense with the help of chart. First person singular, I walk. Plural, we walk. Second person singular, you walk. Plural, you walk. Third person singular, he walks, she walks, it walks. Plural, they walk. If the verb ends in O, S, SH, CH, X or Z, ES is added to the verb. For example, go, goes. Mr. Pandit goes to office every day. For example, splash, splashes. Julie splashes the water on her friends. If the verb ends in Y and has no vowel before it, Y changes into I and then ES is added to it. For example, carry, carries. My sister carries all books to school every day. But if verb ending in Y following a vowel, add an S only. For example, say, says. Dora says her prayers daily. Simple present tense is often used with such words like usually, generally, always, sometimes, every day. For example, Mayank usually speaks in English with his parents. For example, Joshua sometimes plays in the garden. Now, oral work. Fill in the blanks with simple present tense of the verb given in the brackets. First one, the farmer dash hard to earn a living. The answer is the farmer works hard to earn a living. Second one, I dash my brothers were here. The answer is I wish my brothers were here. Third one, Mr. Sen dash TV most evenings. The answer is Mr. Sen watches TV most evenings. Fourth one, the river dash under the bridge. The answer is the river flows under the bridge. Fifth one, hers dash to be a doctor. The answer is hers wants to be a doctor. Sixth one, the farmer dashed the cows out to graze. The answer is the farmer takes the cows out to graze. Seventh one, Rutvik dashed to play badminton. The answer is Rutvik wants to play badminton. Eighth one, Rohan dashed to the gymnasium every day. The answer is Rohan goes to the gymnasium every day. Ninth one, Samarth dash karate classes on Sunday. The answer is Samarth attends karate classes on Sunday. Tenth one, Rishabh dash a long distance to get to work. The answer is Rishabh drives a long distance to get to work. 11th one, my mother dashes my favorite food every weekend. The answer is my mother cooks my favorite food every weekend. 12th one, Tejaswini dashes during her free time. The answer is Tejaswini reads during her free time. 13th one. Prachal dashed the cricket ball hard. The answer is Prachal hits the cricket ball hard. 14th one. Sri generally dashes up at 6 o'clock in the morning. The answer is Sri generally wakes up at 6 o'clock in the morning. 15th one. The sun always dashes in the east. The answer is the sun always rises in the east. Thank you. Please like and subscribe if you like my video.